Hello folks, it's a sad message this is. Not long ago, Dad passed away. For those of you who have been following me on my channel, Dad was my best friend. Oh, I haven't been able to stop crying. It's just such a worry now. Got all the worry now. I've tried to sort out finances, paying the funeral costs, which we haven't got. And of course, we never got around to doing it. Changing, though the parents got joint account, never managed to get it sorted with Mum because she can't get to the bank. So I don't know how we're going to get access to the money from that for both of them. Well, just my Mum now. Oh dear. So I'm not. I'll probably be struggling to do any videoing from the garden. Although it might be the best thing for me, but I've got to think about Mum as well. She probably might not want to be left alone. We'll see how she is. Oh, it's such a shock. I know I was expecting it, but it just feels like my right arm's been chopped off. Used to do everything with Dad. I took the allotments on to get Dad involved, so he could potter down there, and we had something what we could do together, but unfortunately it never quite worked out that way. Oh folks, just feel so alone. I'm going to have to stop now, but I just wanted you to know. Bye for now. Bye.